Lezi zakhamuzi zase Soweto zithutheleke ekomkhulu lase Eskom eMagawatt Park eGoli ngamabhasi namhlanje ekseni. Zithi ungabibikho kogesi kubeka engcupheni impilo yazo.
We've got kids whereby because of this electricity they can't even do their studies. We've got a lot of elders that have passed on. Like recently we have lost our 2 elders yesterday in Sunville, Pimville. Because of coldness, we are living in the darkness. There's too much crime.
I feel angry and disappointed because our government has disappointed us. Because I think Eskom is under government. So we have no electricity for a year. And we've been voting from 1994 until now. We've still been voting. We're still voting even now. So now they want our vote in October. I don't know how we're going to vote. Meanwhile, we're sitting in the dark.
This is not right. We can't be living like this as black people. This is creating black on black hate. Because now, black people are now striking in Soweto. Black people are striking in Soweto. How are we supposed to survive?
Mesesibeka manje emlilweni amaplaka yaphela asazi ukuthi sinathatha mapha amaplanka.
Le mashi ibinokuthula izakhamuzi zithi zihlele ukuthi zisebenzise ezinye izindlela zokubhikisha ukuzwakalisa ilaka lazo.
In Soweto, it's a tradition. Whenever we have a problem, we break infrastructure, we take down the traffic lights, we block the roads. Ambulances can't cross to go rescue a gogo with a heart attack, and a gogo dies at the expense of young people. So we sat down as young people and said, that can't be normal. That can't be the norm we accept. We have to deal with problems in a different, intelligent, mature way. And the only way is to find the root cause of the problem and confront the root cause of the problem. The devil that's causing all that misery in Soweto is not in Soweto. The devil is in this building.
Kulindeleke ukuthi isikhulu sase Eskom sizokwemukela uhlu lwezikhalo amaphoyisa asiqaphile isimo.